Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Kitchen, and today on Cookmas Day 2, we are making country fried steak. So as you can see here, I have my cube steak in one bowl that's already seasoned. I have a few cups of flour that is also seasoned, and I have 2 eggs and a little bit of milk in another bowl. And we are just gonna take our cube steak and we're gonna dip it in that flour, make sure it's well coated, and then we're gonna take it from that flour and dip it in that egg and make sure it's also nicely coated. And then we're gonna bring it back over to the flour and make sure it's nice and coated, just to make sure our cube steak or our country fried steak is nice and crispy. And you just repeat the process on all of your cube steak. And I also recommend cutting up your cube steak into smaller pieces so they won't take as long to cook. I didn't do that, and trust me, I paid for it, okay? And now I'm just taking some olive oil and covering the bottom of my skillet and warming that up. You can use vegetable oil if you want to, but I just chose to use olive oil. And we're not deep frying these, which is why we're not filling our pan up to the top. We're just gonna crisp the outside of our cube steak. And after a while, you just want to give it a flip, and you want to make sure it is nice and golden brown, just like that on both sides. So once you have all your steaks cooked, you just want to throw some butter in that same pan we cooked the cube steaks in, and we're going to saute some Trinity mix. Now I'm just throwing in some garlic, and I'm going to saute that for a couple of minutes. Then I'm going to sprinkle in some flour to start making our roux for our gravy. And you want to cook that flour for a couple minutes so you can get that raw flour taste out of there. And then we're going to start adding some chicken stock. Now we're just going to be adding in some half and half. And now you just want to let everything simmer and thicken up. And after your gravy is done, you can plate your food up like this. And I'm just going to put a little bit of gravy on my mashed potatoes and my country fried steak. And this was so good, y'all. I am really learning how to plate my food up just so it can look as good as it tastes. And you already know I had to get a close-up of that gravy because it looks so bomb, y'all. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this video. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.